Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia with Commodity Consulting with some commentary for Monday. It's about, that's March the 30th, of course. It's about 2:45. Markets were everywhere today. Cotton in particular took a big hit. And of course, we're all awaiting tomorrow's planting intentions number for the 2015 crop, what farmers intend to plant for cotton. In addition to that, we're also going to have a quarterly grain stocks number for corn and beans and wheat. And of course, I think this is the first projection for the new crop, which is not even in the ground yet. So how's that for making a stab at it? At any rate, the cotton market tried to trade a little higher today, was higher most of the day, but then late in the day it just got nervous and we sold off equally across the board. The December was down 100 points as well as the old crop. And so we have to wait and see what those numbers are. Of course, conventional wisdom says there's going to be a significant reduction in cotton acres. We'll have to see, obviously. Last year, I think we did 11.5 or 11.2, and now they're looking for like 9.2, 9.5, at least a 2 million acre reduction. It needs to come out at least that. But, you know, we're already hearing that the Delta, or I should say northern Louisiana and related areas are having some extremely wet conditions, and they may miss their early corn planting. And so that could certainly fall to soybeans or cotton. So, again, these are intentions and not what the actual thing is going to be. Over in the corn today, that was higher, I suppose, just on the notion that corn acres may come in a lot less versus beans. And the reason for that is just simple math. The November beans are around 950 and December corn's around 418. So I guess when you put a pencil to it, beans went out on that. But interesting to us how the beans, in anticipation of huge acres, even record acres, beans have hung up in here a little bit. So, it may not all come out like people think it's going to do. Wheat today turned around and did a stunning rally. Last Thursday, wheat fell out 20 cents. It got back 3 or 4 or 5 cents of that Friday, and today it goes up 23 cents. So that's pretty erratic trading, and I guess some of that could be related to weather out there as well. But again, we'll see what wheat stocks are tomorrow. The dollar was up today. The stock market sharply higher. The energy's up a little bit, at least diesel was. We're waiting to see if Iran and the U.S. will strike that nuclear accord tomorrow. I think tomorrow's the deadline as they spend our money in Switzerland. So we'll see. We'll be on here tomorrow with some assessment, what the acres intentions are, and what the market's response was. If you have any questions or comments, of course, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.